has declared 128 appointments in various parastatals unconstitutional. A three-judge bench ruled that the appointments were not transparent, competitive, and fair.
The High Court has declared 128 appointments in various parastatals by President Uhuru Kenyatta since 2018 unconstitutional. A three-judge bench comprising Justices Jesse Lesit, Chacha Mwita, and Lucy Njuguna ruled that the appointments by President Kenyatta and cabinet secretaries ought to have been competitive, transparent, and fair, terming them invalid.
Comply with the constitutional provisions of Article 232 and Article 10 of the Constitution with regard to appointments.
Read with Section 10 of the Public Service Values and Principles Act. The petitioner's argument is simple. It is that the appointments were not open, transparent, or based on merit. They also fault the appointments for not taking into account the requirements of accountability.
Among those affected by the ruling include some of the 2017 poll losers and government officials. They include former Chief of Defense Julius Karangi, former Teachers Union NAT Chairman Muzo Nzili, former Governors Benjamin Chaboi, late Internal Security Minister's wife George Saitoti Margaret Wanjiru Saitoti, former President Mwai Kibaki's daughter Judith Wanjiku, Washington Makodingo, Agustino Neto, ODM boss Raila Odinga's aide Karoli Amondi, and William Timama. Others include Mombasa businessman Suleiman Shabal, politicians Nicholas Gumbo and Jamle Kamau, as well as Baringo Senator Gideon Moi's wife, Zara Balewa Moi.
The provision has to be read and construed with the alterations, adaptations, verifications, and exceptions necessary to bring it into conformity with the Constitution.
The case had been filed by Katiba Institute and AFRICOG, arguing that the law was not followed. Paul Kirobi, TV47, Nairobi.